Kamala. Hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, I'll be creating this makeup look. It's a very traditional kind of a makeup look. It's Navratri is coming online, so thought let me create a look for that, or any wedding guest makeup look, or anything kind, just a traditional makeup look. You can wear for any occasion like that. And I'm wearing sari for this look. You can go with any traditional outfit. It's maybe lehenga, chudi, or anything sort of that. So today I have wearing a red with a pink sari. This is my mom's sari, guys. Maybe you can't see that. I really like this sari. When I bought this sari for her wedding anniversary, I really wanted to wear this one, so I asked her, she gave me, so I'm wearing that. Hope you like this one, guys. So if you wanna know how I achieve this makeup look and this eye makeup, do continue watching, and if you're new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe. Now without any further delay, let's get into the video. So guys, I'm gonna start off with the skin prep. Today I'm feeling a little bit of dehydrated, so I'm gonna start off with a little bit of skin prep. So first I'm gonna spray some this kind of essence spray. This is the Revolution Superfood Replenishing Essence Spray. I'm gonna spray all over my face. So this gives a boost of hydration and gives it really plumpy skin to apply good makeup. So I'm gonna spray all on my face. So by the time the essence soak into my skin, I'm gonna apply lip balm. So this is the Tree Wear Organic and Cinnamon Lip Balm. So this is also a new lip balm. Recently I bought it from Sublime website. So I have associated with them. So they have given me a code. Like if you buy any product from Sublime website, you get 10% discount. So I'm gonna mention in the screen and also in the description box. So if you want to buy any of the products from Sublime website, you will get 10% discount. So I'm very happy to tell you guys something, feeling very excited because it's the first time I have been associated with the website. So yeah, do check out that website, and if you want to buy anything, use my code. So I'm gonna apply this lip balm. So I really like this lip balm, guys. So this is the second time I'm using. I feel really moisturizing and nourishing my lips. I'll be keep on trying this lip balm, and I'll be keep on updating how I feel. And I have thinking to buy some products from their website. They have a lot of skincare and makeup and all. I'm planning to buy skincare products. So if you want to review any particular brand or any particular product from that website, do let me know in the comments so that I'll try that and I'll let you know, guys. So yeah, now my essence has been started sinking into my skin. So by the time it will sink, let me apply some serum. So this is the Revolution Superfood Extract Serum. So I'm gonna take this serum on my face, so like that. So guys, now I feel really hydrated. If you want to apply a moisturizer, you can definitely go ahead and apply. I'm thinking this is enough for me because I'm oily skin, so it will become more oily if I apply one more layer. So rightly I'm gonna move on to the primer. So for the primer, I'll be using the I Heart Revolution Strawberry Whip Floor Blurring Primer. So since I'll be using a matte foundation, I want this primer to just blur my pores. So I'm gonna just warm up the product like that. I'm going to focus on my T-zone mostly. Here only I get a lot of pore area. So whatever remaining is there, I'm gonna apply all over my face. So if you are a oily skin but you are facing any dehydration problem, go ahead and apply a hydrating primer or a serum kind of a thing before you go with the foundation. So while selecting a foundation, go with the matte foundation, but for the skincare, you make sure that you are hydrating your skin thoroughly. So like I'm doing, so that way you can see that your skin is hydrated and also it looks matte also. So if you apply a lot of matte products, it may become cakey, or you feel a little bit of dryness and all. So make sure you keep that in mind. So for the foundation, I'll be going with the Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation. So this is in the shade 332 Golden Caramel. Initially I was using the shade 330 Toffee Caramel. So this one is warm undertone, that was the neutral undertone. So luckily I found this shade. So now I have been addicted to this foundation again. So I'm gonna just drop a little bit of foundation on back of my hand. Now it comes with the bump you don't have to worry. This is the old package, and this is a really a good drugstore foundation. If you are looking for foundation for the first time, you can definitely go ahead and try this one for oily skin girls. If you're dry skin also, you can go ahead and try. You can apply a illuminating or hydrating primer or moisturizer. So I'm gonna applying all over my face like that. So actually this is a medium to full coverage foundation. I have applied one layer. If I want any further coverage, I'm gonna apply a little bit more foundation later. So I'm gonna take pack a brush just to spread the product. So this is the foundation brush. So if you are using a brush, this gives that a good maximum coverage to your foundation. So since it is a medium to full coverage, you can build up how much ever you want. So as I said, I have applied one layer of the foundation. As you can see, it's a medium coverage. It did not cover my scars, so I'm gonna take a little bit more foundation this time to cover my scars. So I'm gonna directly apply with my brush itself. So for remaining, I'll be going to blend it with my beauty blender. So this removes any excess product, or it gives that really even out foundation. So next we'll be moving on to the concealer, just to cover out my under eye scars and also to highlight my face. So for that I'll be using this Sugar Magic Wand Waterproof Concealer in the shade 40 Brave and 45 Corn Panna. So first I'm gonna take the shade 45 Corn Panna, which is almost my skin shade. So I'm just going to apply all of my under eyes, around my mouth. So basically wherever you have a hyperpigmentation problem. So I'm gonna blend it with my beauty blender this time. So now I'm gonna use the shade 40 Brave just to highlight my face. So I'm gonna apply on my under eyes this time. So just on center of my face. So I'm gonna take my beauty blender again and I'm gonna blend it like that. So now concealer is done. I'll be moving on to set the concealer. In place I'll be using the K Beauty loose powder in the shade Latte. So I'm gonna directly take it in my beauty blender like that. I'm gonna just look up and set my under eyes. So when you look up, the lines will go. As you can see, it will start elaborating. So if you set like that, it won't set on your fine lines. So as you can see, so wherever I applied the concealer, I'm gonna apply on that portion. So loose powder is really sets your concealer very nicely, because it's very lightweight. It doesn't feel heaviness at all. So if you want to know my full review on K Beauty product, I'm gonna link the link over here, so you can check that out. So next I'm gonna use the compact powder. I'll be using the new compact powder today. So this is the Sugar Dream Cover SPF 15 Mattifying Compact in the shade 30 Coco Chino. I really like the shade. As you can see, it matches my skin tone perfectly. I'm gonna set my remaining face. So I feel almost it's like a Fit Me compact powder. So I really like the compact powder, guys. I feel it sets my foundation perfectly. So I'll be keep on using this compact powder. I'll let you know how I feel in future. So now I'm gonna set my face to melt the powder products and set my first layer of my makeup. So I'm be using the I Heart Revolution Tasty Peachy mattifying setting spray. So guys, half of the face is done and my makeup is fully set. The base is fully set. Now I'm gonna move on to the eye makeup. First I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows. To fill in my eyebrows, I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Paris Brow Artist Brow Pomade. So after that I'm gonna use the LA Colors Bowie Tinted Mascara, Brow Mascara, to set my eyebrows. So for the eye makeup, I'm gonna use this palette. This is the Makeup Revolution Tammy Tropical Twilight palette. I have been obsessed with this palette and I have been creating a lot of looks for my Instagram. So if you're not following there, please do follow there. I have been using, I have created more than 3 to 4 looks using this palette. So I have been obsessed like that. So I'm wearing red and pink sari, so I'm gonna create according to that. If I don't find any pink shade, I'll be using some different palette. So first I'm gonna mix these two shades. So this is little bit darker maroon kind of thing, and this is light orange. When we mix these two, shade looks red. So I'm gonna focus on my crease area. So later on I'll be blending. So first I'm going to place the shades where I need. So I'm taking the Vichy brush. It's like a small blending and packing kind of a brush. So where I can pack and blend together. So from Patricia Bright palette, I'm gonna take this shade. So I don't have that this pink from in Tammy palette, so I'm gonna take only this pink from this palette. So I'm gonna blend like that in a big blending brush. You can take any blending brush. So this one is from BH Cosmetics. So you can take this Pro Arte AE24 brush also. Both was really great for blending. So I'm taking only that orange this time, just to intensify as red, so it looks more as maroon. Now I'm just placing that orange on top of that shade, I mean this crease area. So as you can see here, it looks pink, here it looks red. So I wanted this vibe. So now I'm gonna take this brown. So this I'm gonna place it on my outer corner of my eyes as a V. So it looks really, gives the depth to my eye look. So as you can see, I'm just placing over here. I'm not moving upwards, I'm just placing here and blending like that. So for my shimmer shade, I'll be taking the Patricia Bright palette. So I'm gonna take this shade. So since this shade looks very pink and gold mix, so I'm just going to place like that. As you can see, I really wanted this kind of a shimmer shade because of my sari jari is there, no? It looks very goldy thing. So guys, as you can see, this shimmer shade is looking beautiful on my eyes. As you can see, it's a mix of pink, gold and really shimmery shade. I really like this shimmer shade, guys. So now I'm gonna take that brown again to blend the edges of that gold. So I'm just blending in this portion. So I'm gonna take the same brown and run on my lower lash line. So I'm gonna take that pink from Patricia palette. I'm just going to run below that. So I'm gonna slightly apply that shimmer shade on this portion, inner half of my lower lashes, so which looks really great on photographs or in general. So this is really one of my favorite brush, guys. This is the PAC 086 brush. It's a flat brush which really applies the shimmer shade. So for the kajal, I'll be using the Nykaa I Am Bold kajal. So for the liner, I'll be using the K Beauty liner. It is in the shade Black Canvas. So one of the brilliant manufacturing they have done for this liner. For the mascara, I'll be using the Lash Paradise mascara from L'Oreal. So it's been a while I did not use this mascara. It's one of the really great mascara. I'm gonna coat my lashes with this mascara. So guys, half camera I sticked my lashes. I used the Bayful and Mink lashes. Now it's not available anywhere here. So sorry for that, but I really like these lashes. As you can see, it's very thin lashes and you can see your eye makeup through your lashes. So that's why I stick that one. So now I'm gonna finish off my rest of my makeup, means bronzer, blush and highlighter. I'm gonna use my favorite bronzer. This is the Revolution Mega Bronzer in the shade Warm. So I'm gonna just apply on my cheekbone just to give that good structure. So I'm gonna apply a little bit on my forehead, so on my hairline. For the blush, I'm gonna take the Color Bar Everything Rosy blush. As you can see, such a pigmented blush. So if you are lighter than my skin tone, this gives a really great look. Now we'll be moving on to the highlighter. For the highlighter, I'll be using the K Beauty highlighter in the shade Honey Glaze. So my favorite one. I have been using this since I bought. So I'm gonna just brush like that with my Lakara brush. I'm gonna focus on my highest points of cheekbone. So for the lips, I'm gonna go with these two combination. This is the lip liner from K Beauty in the shade Fame, and this is the Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon in the shade 20. So I like to go with a little bit of pinky kind of a shade, not super bright one when I'm doing a very bright eye look. So I'm gonna keep this plain bindi this time. So this is the very first time I'm keeping a plain bindi. I don't know how this looks. Do let me know if I'm looking good or not. So I'm gonna apply some highlighter on my inner corners and jawbone. I'm gonna apply the same K Beauty highlighter. So guys, I really wanted to show my jewels. So this is the earrings. What looks like. So it looks very pretty. My bhabi gifted me for my videos. I think she bought it from Mirao. So this is what the neck piece looks like. I really thank my bhabi at this moment. So guys, as you can see, this looks very nice, no? So guys, this is the final makeup look. For my hairstyle, I didn't do anything. I was thinking to create any different hairstyle, but nothing came to my mind. So I just did a tying and just kept a flowers. So hope you will like this one also. So this is something very basic thing. You can create any sort of hairstyle for this makeup look. You can just keep mantika and all. This will look very nice. So hope you enjoy watching this makeup look, guys. If you enjoy, please give this video a big thumbs up. Comment below what is your opinion, and all the products link and products name, everything will be given in the description box. So please do check that out for your reference, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Before leaving, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, guys. That means a lot to me. So yeah, bye guys, take care.